All right, we're on day 2, part 2. So that second part of our pages, we're saying, looking at some boiling water. So we have a function W, and really we're just picking whatever letter we want, probably because it stands for water. Gives the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit of a pot of water on a stove T minutes after the stove is turned on. So we are looking for W of T. W is the function name. T is standing for our time, which is our independent variable, and that's going to equal our degrees Fahrenheit. Just to kind of get an idea of what it is we're looking at. Take turns with your partner. So I guess if you are calling a partner, otherwise you are doing this on your own and then submitting it in. I know that whatever's in here is standing for T, which is looking at number of minutes. And I know that this is going to be degrees Fahrenheit. So this would tell me if it's T is 0, that's our starting temperature, is equal to 72 degrees. And then you would kind of write those up. I'm going to look at just a second one for you, and then you're going to work on the other parts of that. So W5 would mean that after 5 minutes, the temperature is greater than when it's at 2 minutes. And that should make sense. It's going to keep warming up. Eventually, if we go too many minutes, it'll probably change because it'll already be done, and then it will cool off. So you're going to write down, finishing up those pieces. And then you're also going to look at down here, and you're going to make a graph to kind of get some ideas. Everybody's graph would probably look different. It's just going to, as long as whatever information up above is true on here. When you're done, again, you are submitting that part to Google Classroom. E, you're just matching to see which ones they would match to. So you have different equations, and then we're looking at the sentences that we would say those. I'm going to do one of those for you. So I'm going to look at this first one, the 3x minus 7. So pause it, see if you can read through all these descriptions and figure out which one would fit that one. And then when you have it decided, start it up so you can see what the answer is. If I put a number in for x, I need to multiply it by 3 first. So that's going to be C. To get the output, multiply the input by 3, and then the subtracting 7 from the result. So that's going to be C. You're going to finish up those, and then you're answering the last 2 questions. And again, you're submitting all of that into Classroom.